Hi Jeff, my name's Bob Kane and I just wanted to do this quick video for you to thank you so much for ClickEngine. I don't have a list. I'm building one, but it doesn't exist yet. I don't have anything. And your product has made me more money in 8 days than I think I've ever made before. And I'd just like to show you, and whoever else you may show this to, the results. So in 8 days, I started the 6th of February. Well, that says the 8th, but I started on the 6th. $51.31. That is definitely a new high for me. And I'm 2 people away from getting the $25 bonus. So hopefully I can get that today or tomorrow. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. Talk to you.